Hey guys, welcome back to another new video in our channel Sri Ram Tech World. Today I found this old PC in my house and it's not something that is working right now, and the condition is too bad, I can say. And the configuration of this PC is i3 i3 second generation with the DDR3 RAM. I think it's a 4 GB of RAM, I guess, and 160 GB of SATA hard drive it is. So let's upgrade this PC. Existing configuration is very slow, I can say. Like into 2026, it's pretty low configuration, I can say, because i3 second generation is around like 2011 or 2012, some range in between that. So that particular PC is not gonna work right now. So now I'm going to upgrade this PC like to the latest configuration using the latest SSD, and I'm also going to update with the Wi-Fi adapter as well. So let's see if that is working fine or not. Like I'm just going to do some video editing and also like a basic level of gamings and all. Let's see if this can be handled or not. So if this is not something that is handling, then I'm just having an alternate option, and I'm just going to upgrade with the i7 fourth generation. I will just keep you posted about that later, but let's see initially if this configuration works for us or not. Now I'm going to show you the accessories that I have bought. This is a Wi-Fi dongle, and I bought it from the Amazon, and this is a Zebronics Wi-Fi dongle that it is clearly visible to you, and here it is clearly mentioned about the WPA2 security, and it supports up to maximum of 150 Mbps, and it's in a very compact design. I will just show you how exactly this is, and yeah, nothing else. It cost me around somewhere around like 250 rupees INR, and yeah, it's a cool thing. Like after a very long, like I'm seeing CD inside it, and this is maybe it's a driver CD, I guess. Let's keep that aside. I don't think that is really required for us. And this is the Wi-Fi dongle. I can show you. This is pretty small in size, but I don't know how exactly this will work. So let's try this. And other than that, I also got another SSD, and this is EVM SSD, and this we can clearly see that the speed rates, like, and also the capacity, like it's a 128 GB of storage, and it's a 2.5 SATA it is, and we can easily plug it with a normal hard drive, and it is having around 5 years of warranty. And yes, it supports like a maximum read and write speeds are around 550 Mbps. So I hope that is pretty much good enough to upgrade this PC. Let's see how how exactly this performs. And here all, like, you can clearly see the information related to this, the normal serial number and the service tags, everything. So I'm just going to install these two products in my PC right now, and I will show you the motherboard, how exactly that looks as well. Let's stay tuned. So before updating this PC, I do have a quick update that this PC is having a lot of dust inside it. I'm just going to blow this, and I'm just going to clean this PC right now, and later I will show you how exactly the parts are inside. So this is my PC internal parts, and this is the SMPS. It is around I guess SMPS. It is mostly, it supports all the motherboards like H61 or H81 motherboards as well. And if you come to this particular part, like it's a i3 second generation CPU. It's just underneath this fan. And well, coming to this RAM, it is like a 4 GB DDR3 RAM, and I'm not. Oh, we can just take that out right away. Yeah, you can see this is 4 GB DDR3 RAM, and let's insert that again into the slot number 3. So to keep the cabinet cool, I also have a secondary fan that is already installed on the motherboard. And I do have a SATA SSD. Here you can able to clearly see it's like around 160 GB. It's a normal SATA SSD. I mean SATA hard drive. So the speeds are very slow, I can say, because if you see like the booting time will takes approximately 40 to 60 minutes of I mean 40 to 60 seconds. And yeah, other I don't have anything. I don't have any graphic card or anything. So I'm going to install this 2.5 SATA SSD. So I'm going to remove this particular SATA and the power port from this hard drive, and I'm just going to insert to this SSD. And if possible, like I will try to put this particular the hard drive as a secondary for just storing the few videos or storing some data in it. And the primary should be always for the OS and the applications as well. I will just keep you posted. Let's see if the booting time and opening the Chrome or opening the Explorer, and let's see how much time it took actually. So after installing these two items, like I will just see how exactly the gaming test is like. I will install some GTA or San Andreas and the old PC games as well. And also let's see how exactly the video editing works here. Like I will also install the Filmora and the CapCut and a few other window, I mean a few other editing apps as well. And also I will try with the BlueStacks too. Like I will try to install the BlueStacks and also install the BCMA or the Call of Duty in it. And let's see how exactly that works. I will just keep you posted, and until then please stay tuned for that. And let me know how exactly you like my video, like if you like the video or if you want more PC builds and anything, like just let me know in the comment section below so that I can try to upgrade more stuff.
I'm now going to connect this hard drive to the motherboard, and in the meantime I will put this video in a fast forward mode. So after inserting the primary and the secondary hard drive, I'm just going to power on the PC. For installing the OS, I just put the memory stick in the USB and need to change the BIOS settings by clicking on F2 button as shown. Here we also need to check if the hard disk is detected or the rest of the configurations were able to see on the screen itself. After validating the complete configuration, we also need to make sure the boot sequence is in a correct place. The first one should be the memory stick and the second one should be the hard drive that we inserted just before. After that, we just need to hit on F10 and click on yes. Windows installation is in the progress right now and it may take some time, so I'm now going to switch it to the time-lapse mode. In the meantime, let me know in the comments, have you upgraded or revived your old PC like this before? And do you think this i3 second generation can handle games and video editing in 2026?
So while after updating my old PC, something interesting happens. Just before I receive an update of for Windows 10 20H2 version, and the size of it is around 5.5 gigabytes. And after downloading and installing the update, the system restarted just before, and it's just on the privacy screen settings right now. And I'm just going to turn this toggle off. I don't want to share my location, and as it's a PC, I don't need to find my device on, and I don't need this, I don't need the advertisement as well. And as of now I don't need this online speech recognition as well, because it's not something that is working perfect as compared with the Google Gemini. And I don't want to do this one as well. And just clicking on accept. Once after hitting on the accept button, it's actually take me to the home screen again. As we look at before, I'm now again connecting my device to 2.4 gigahertz and as of now the one second. So I just inserted my dongle, the USB, I mean the Wi-Fi dongle, and it's now just connected to 2.4 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth internet. I mean the SSD, and I'm just going to check the screen layout. It's gonna be 1080 1920 by 1080. It's a standard resolution, I can say, and the display goes very smooth. Right now, almost all the drivers are installed, are automatically updated. So, as I would like to show you, I already installed this Filmora. I installed the Filmora, and as well as if I do see for the updates, I don't have a much updates, I guess, or maybe the cumulative patches that I can update it right now. And if at all, if I want to show you the Win version, it's like it's a 19042. So that means it's 20H2, like Windows 10 20H2. This is something released on 2020, even though our PC is much more lagging. Like the updates are pretty much old, but still the PC works very smooth. And if we see some Realtek semiconductor updates as well, and also like few cumulative updates, it's still in downloading, and .NET framework as well, and also like Adobe Flash and the Defender as well. So let it be a let it get updates right now. So if I show you the performance of this PC, it's pretty much good condition, like I can say, because I have updated this to the SSD. So the standard rates, I mean the transfer rates are pretty normal. Even I can run some applications, and I will show you how exactly this works. Also, the CPU performance is quite normal, and the RAM is also normal. So I will just run some tasks like opening up these applications, like, and also doing some video rendering, and also some 4K stuff as well. Obviously, if we ran some 4K related videos, obviously it's gonna be stuck, or maybe the performance will be a bit laggy. So if we see here, the CPU performance is quite increasing a bit, though it's not something 4K. The art is playing as of now, and yes, right now it's playing on 144. Let's see. The Wi-Fi is working pretty good. Like it's receiving around 30 to 40 Mbps of speed right now, and the CPU performance is still good. I can say it's not something lagging. I don't know if the video is playing. Yeah, no, the video is playing. Let's see the CPU performance. As of now, it's pretty good. You can see a bit buffering as well, and also like there are little frame drops that we can observe. Even the CPU threshold is reached to the maximum, and the RAM is also about to reach, but the SSD is working pretty good. Let's see. I will keep you posted about the video rendering updates, and also the gameplay, like GTA Vice City or San Andreas, and also a few other games, and the video works as well. Please be in touch so that I can just keep you posted about that. Thank you. Like we discussed earlier, I'm using Filmora for editing, and we could able to see, like, I use multiple layers in this particular application, and I just exploded the video that I'm already I already edited it. So I exported it in 4K 60 fps, and it's taking around 6 GB of storage, which is duration is like 12 minutes, 12 minutes 7 seconds. But unfortunately, it took more than 3.5 hours for me. Like as of now, the time is 23:36, means 11:30, and I started it around 8:30 p.m. So right now it's still in the rendering stage, and you could able to see it's still fluctuating in between 5 to 7 minutes in between that. And if I open the CPU utilization, so we can clearly observe the CPU threshold limit. It's taking a lot of CPU and using a little bit RAM. I mean, a little bit of drive and medium range of RAM. Like if you could see, around 82% of RAM is being utilized, and as of now, the display, I mean, the disk utilization is pretty normal, and the CPU utilization is around 88. Sometimes it's even fluctuating till 100. So overall, we can export 4K videos, but we need to allow it some time. Not some time, like it's more time actually. Even in the resource monitor, we can clearly find out which particular application is taking a lot of time and how many threads are being utilized. And yeah, I will just keep you posted about the gaming updates as well.
As we know, Windows 10 is officially out of support right now, so that means the PC may no longer receive the regular updates going forward. So interestingly, Microsoft is showing an option to enroll now for extended security updates, which is pretty interesting.